Today we're taking a look at Bosch's automated night watch system. This system provides detection and deterrence for lots and outdoor spaces of all kinds. It leverages a multi-imager fixed camera to drive a pan-tilt zoom automatically to relevant activity. Here you can see as this person approaches the region of interest, the pan-tilt zoom swings toward that region of interest. It verifies the detection and initiates auto tracking. The auto tracking is based on the latest neural network technology to provide smooth tracking of the acquired object over a specified period of time. It also turns on a white light spotlight. This is a very bright light that provides a measure of deterrence and ensures that the intruder knows that they're both seen and being followed. This behavior will continue for a specified period of time. At the end of that specified time, the pan-tilt zoom will automatically reset, return to its home position, ready for the next event. It can track from its home position or from any number of regions of interest coming from the fixed multi-imager. These two cameras can be co-located on the same corner or pole, or, like in this instance, actually located in different places covering different areas. This system is available in a complete kit for both pole mount and corner mount applications and includes everything you need. As an additional measure of deterrence, this system also includes an IP speaker that can be programmed to play pre-recorded announcements or even initiate live talk-down based on events from the video system. This ensures that the intruder not only sees the white spotlight that follows them through the lot, but also hears an announcement indicating that they should vacate the premises immediately, preventing many incidents before they start.